How to add a bank account on Skrill. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can go ahead and simply actually add your bank account on Skrill. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to add a bank account to your Skrill account, first of all what you need to do is just go to skrill.com and then make sure to sign into your account. Then once you go to skrill.com and sign into your account, click on the My Account button from the top right hand side of the screen. Then you'll be taken to your account dashboard. So as you can see, this is my account dashboard. So on the left hand side you can set deposit and withdraw, so you can just go to withdraw over here. When you go to withdraw, you have different type of options, and in this case I have the option called bank account right in between, right? So all I need to do is just click on the add bank account button. So first of all, select your country of residence. Then you have to simply go ahead and then enter your bank account number, your SWIFT code, as well as your bank. So I will go ahead and then fill in all those details respectively. So once you enter your account number, your SWIFT code, if you don't know your bank's SWIFT code, you can actually just contact the bank, or you can simply search in Google as to what is the bank's SWIFT code. And then after that, just select your bank and then just select I confirm that I am the named holder of this account. Then just click on the option called add bank account over here. So basically, as you can see, my bank account has been successfully added, and now if I want, I can just go ahead and withdraw it, and I can just go ahead and verify it and many things as such. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then simply actually add a bank account to your Skrill account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.